Hello, welcome. This is Justin Blake. If you are a subscriber or a regular viewer of my channel, then you are aware of the story I did about this young man who was molested at the age of 16, Garfield. Remember I told you all that I would continue to follow the progress of Garfield. Yesterday, me and Pastor King, which is Garfield's pastor from the United Full Gospel Church of God, we went to visit Garfield and his family. Words cannot express what it was like when we went there and saw the living condition of the family. Take a look for yourself.
The first time I met Garfield, I was by the one-man beach with a number of children, young people from the community roadsides. I took them to the beach after the Rangers had some band practice. But while we were there on the beach, I overheard Garfield talking to somebody else, and the person that he was talking to apparently was not a Jamaican, and I heard his voice of desperation. It's like he was frustrated and ready to do something that was even bad to himself, because he was thinking suicidal, and he was mourning about even his past brothers that died, and was wondering if that's where his life was going to end up, and if he would have to become suicidal. And so I called him one side. From that time, I've been in dialogue with him, and since that, I realized that Garfield has gone through a lot of situations. Ultimately, he'd want to make better of himself. He's a very sensible young man, and the word he speaks can tell how conscious he is. So we're here this morning to really see how further we can probe in his situation and to see what can be done to make his life better. We at the church are very concerned. That's why we're here this morning. Alright, mommy?
Yeah.
Alright, so we come to see where him live, come to see, if there's anything possible that can be done.
When rain falls, I cry because the whole in the bed with. We have to set like pan to catch water. Right now there's a plastic we have to put in the top.
As it is, it's not just Garfield that need help. To me, the whole family need help.
Me, my big daughter, and this one, and baby, and Garfield.
Right here this morning to see what we can do from our side, and to see, to solicit at the same time, from others, to see if there's anything that can be done to help Garfield and the family. That out of this whole situation, that something good can come. All right?
Yeah.
I'm sure I can help to get a number of tradesmen who's going to be willing to come and help me to put this place together. All right? So we just want to move towards it and to see a brighter tomorrow. This is an urgent situation. You know what I mean? We have to try to find some way to come up with whatever material we need. Based on what my observation, we need a total renovation of this place, and if we're going to help the family, because we couldn't just think about Garfield at this point, because the whole family at this point suffers, and in a situation like this there can't be any kind of it's hard to stay positive, because the negative that I see here it is numerous. It's high. What we'd like to do, as I said before, is to take an estimate of what it would cost to put it up, maybe a 2-apartment structure for the family. I have been in dialogue already with our church, and while we are soliciting at the same time, if there's anyone that is hearing or seeing this video can make any kind of assistance, we would be most grateful, because this is something that is urgent matter. It's not something that we can consider next year. It's something need to be done now.
This is where Garfield sleep. That's actually Garfield's bed, sheets and old clothes. That is actually a latch-in toilet every member of the family use. And this is where Garfield sleep.
Garfield has become like a part of our church family. He's well known, and although person might try to criticize him, Garfield remained positive. He's a positive young man who believes that it's not every day is going to be the same way. He believes that tomorrow, one day, the sun will will shine for him. You know, it is his hope that tomorrow he'll be able not only just to help himself, but also to help his family member. And I am really moved. I'm really moved, deeply moved with compassion when I look at his situation. Yeah, this young man of a heart of gold. He's very willing, you know, disciplined as far as I'm concerned, somebody you can talk to. And by the grace of God assisting us at the United Full Gospel Church of God, we're determined to help to make his tomorrow a brighter day.
If you wish to offer your help and your support in any ways you can, please email me at justblakeblake@gmail.com. You can also contact me at 876-457-5439, and you will be given information on how you can assist in helping Garfield and his family so that their living and social condition will improve. Please do not wait to make a change in someone's life. I can. You can. Thank you.
Make sure you subscribe.